Hola Buenas. Today we're in Toledo. So as you can see, the main station here is absolutely beautiful. Our plan is to walk from here all the way up to Toledo. It's not that long, it's a really nice walk. We had really good weather in Madrid and we've come here and it's super cloudy. It's kind of a cold day, but there's no rain due, so that's the important thing. So let's go, empecemos. We are now entering the city of Toledo. It was actually the old capital of Spain, but you'll see it's got very old cobbled streets. Absolutely beautiful. There's a lot to see here. It's a real shame that it's not like a super sunny day. It was supposed to be, but it's still incredibly beautiful, so we're going to enjoy it nonetheless. As you can see, the sun is trying to come through. Hopefully it will start to warm up during today, but I've got my hat on just to keep me a little bit warmer. There's a weird mix with the glasses on as well.
Hello. Does it record?
Yeah. As you can see, there's a lot of stairs going up to the top. You can actually take a bus or a cab. However, it's cool enough today that we can do it. Good for the exercise, good for your legs. We just went to this turron shop and I bought myself some peanut turron, which is very nice. And the other amazing thing is that we've just walked out and the sky is now beautiful blue. So it looks as though we're going to have good weather for the rest of today, which is fantastic. So I'm looking forward to seeing a little bit more and maybe the views will be even more stunning now. We took the train up from Atocha to Toledo. However, if you're going to take the coach, this is where you will get to. So you have like an escalator that takes you all the way to the top, and then you enter the city from this side. But as you can see, the views here are super beautiful. So that's why we came over this side, just to have a look. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.